Hello, in this video I'll show you how to create transitions like this one. First, click on this icon to import media, and after the videos you want are selected, click on Open. Click on Change. Drag each video into the sequence like shown here. Click in this icon Edit here. Now, click here at Effects and Media if you want the window to be like this, so you don't lose track of what video is in your sequence, especially if the number of videos increase. Now, click here at Video Transitions and pick the one you think is better. But, as you can see, I cannot simply drag the transition and add into the videos. Instead, I need to change the video length in order to Davinci Resolve have enough information to create the transition. So, that's exactly what I'm going to do. After that, I can click and drag the transition easily into my timeline and apply the changes. To modify the duration of the transition, just click on its edges and drag into how long you want the transition to be. Simple as that. Finally, click here in File and Project Properties. Here, you can change the resolution, frame rate, and some other stuff that you want your video to be. After the changes, click again in File, and then on click Export. Select which encoder you want, and after that, click on Export. Select the file location that you want to send the video, wait for the end of the rendering, click Close. Open the file location that you sent your video, and that's the final result. If you want to know how freeze frame effect is done in Davinci Resolve, definitely check this video.